Trace from Refurbished in the Middle. This is very impromptu, but I thought I'd get on here. I'm still working on the whole desk, which when I get done talking, I'll put the thing down. But I have it flipped upside down now because I didn't really get the bottom and stuff. So I've got the caviar, but I wanted to show you what I was trying it with today, just because I wanted to try it. This is the new Paint Pixie, the Lil Pixie. I think that Lil Pixie. I'm so excited, and this is like the perfect little brush to try for doing this stuff. So I'm going to turn the camera down. There we go. Okay. But I hadn't done any of this stuff yet. I had to get the boss man to help me get this dress or the desk up here and flip it over because I cannot get down on my knees. Yep, that's a nice little bonus no one told me about when you get old. Oh well, we will prevail. Okay, I just thought this would be neat and I could just show you. It really is working good. I have sprayed, I sprayed water on top of my paint in the bottle, and I use right out of the bottle. Smells good too, because you know what that, I have the regular mister bottles, but I bought one of those ones from Febreze, and when I got done with all the smelly stuff, I just dumped it out and started putting water in it, but the water still smells, so it smells real good in here now. Okay, I just thought, I was so excited. I was so excited about these, I called up Miss Josie, who is the creator of these beautiful, wonderful, wonderful brushes, to tell her, and I feel bad because I was so excited to talk to her, I wouldn't hardly let her talk for a minute, but I just was so excited to tell her how much I love these. So look at how nice that's working to get this real done. It's the perfect size, you could get right in there. I can see where to do some pictures on canvases and stuff. This would be excellent, and anybody who blends already knows this is a spectacular brush. So I just thought I'd get on and show ya. I am using Dixie Belle's Caviar. It's one of the new colors that was released last. And it works. It's a really nice color, and I've got the Paint Pixie, so I thought that's what I would do. Just get on here and show you another, how great this brush is going to be. Another way to use this brush. Normally I don't paint all this, but I just am enjoying how this brush is just, you know, gives me a good opportunity just to really try it, because I'm not going to say if I use something or talk about it, it's because I really like it, but I'm not going to badmouth anything ever. So I just, let me get that out there, because just because something's different doesn't mean it's bad. But I just love these brushes. And I just wanted everybody else to know that I love them. I think they're great. So, see, I'm going to stop talking like this. I just am excited about them. Okay. No, I'm not getting compensated or nothing. I love to support small business. And she is a small mom and pop business. And I know how hard it is because we struggle too. So that's why. That's another thing that makes me very excited. All right, so I think I did a pretty good job. So I just wanted to get on here. I'm going to finish this up and tell you about this great new brush and some great paint, Dixie Belle Caviar.